the star. Yes, I wanna live in your house. I wanna live in your house. I wanna live in your house, your house. I wanna live in your house. You say, dry your, don't wipe them teardrops from your eyes. Was in a little situation, came with a solution. Was a revelation to hear triumphant calling, triumphant trumpet, tap tap ba ba spat spat, spat spat ba ba, spat spat ba ba spat spat, spat spat ba ba. Oh, I know here too much from what some say. 'Cause at the close of the day, they'll be so far away. But then I know one thing's for certain. Came at the closing of the yes, I know one thing's for certain. You'll be there. You'll be there. It was you that raised the flag above my head. Once when I was in a little situation, came with a solution. Was a revelation to hear triumphant calling, triumphant trumpet, sap sap ba da ba, spat spat, spat spat ba da ba, spat spat ba da ba, spat spat, spat spat ba da ba. I wanna live in your house. 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 I wanna live in.
Mas drama, tremendo mês. Eita, Acoustic Affairs, get the buy on. Tremendo mês, amo. Tremendo tema mês ao tarde. Your House, não é meu favorito, não. Não é meu favorito, não. Seguro, para o qual te vira. Generalmente, vamos dizer assim, a maneira que você recebe também de outro, a maneira que o Jeff também a mencionar, importante é a parte acústica, não? Então, a canção, por estar conhecê-la com outro, de outro style, mas escutar-la completamente unplugged do original, então, hope you'll be great, miss. Nós em dois mais, bye-bye. Nós em 6 horas mais 47, aqui com mais sustain de Acoustic Affairs do Itari.
A original soy dal diversity.
Yes, next song, Diversity.
Diversity?
Hope nice message. Espero que você não absorbe.
Tremendo. Lost di viaggio, na seguita Acoustic Affairs, the live session with Dari.
I don't want to live in the past, so I'm looking for a brand new day. My homeland is right here behind the horizon. God Almighty, watch me same way. Someone is judging my spirituality, laughing at my